What's up guys, and welcome to the Coupon Club. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a few breakdowns where you can pick up some really cheap items at CVS. I'm going to show you how to get some Tide Pods under $1, some diapers, and some paper towels. And in a couple of these breakdowns, I'm even going to show you how you can get those paper towels and diapers for completely free. And just a heads up, in order to do these deals, you guys are going to need a few rebates apps. One of them being the Ibotta app and the other one being Fetch. So if you guys haven't signed up for those yet, this is a perfect week to start. And if you are going to be signing up, definitely use my referral codes, which I will have in the description box down below. Because if you use them, you will get a little sign-up bonus after you redeem your first reward. So with Ibotta, I think it's like a $5 sign-up bonus, which you get. And with Fetch, you'll get 2,000 points, which is equivalent to $2.
Make the streams louder.
So first off, I want to show you guys a quick breakdown what you can do to pick up some really cheap Tide Pods. And to do this deal, you are going to need a CRT, which came to everybody's account last week, and that's this $3 off of 15 laundry CRT. So using that CRT, you're going to want to pick up 3 of the Tide Pods, which are on sale for $5 each. So 3 of them will cost you $15. And then you do want to use that 3 off of 15 laundry care CRT, along with a $1 Tide Pod app-only digital coupon, a $2 off of Tide manufacturer digital coupon, and then you also want to use 2 $2 off of Tide Pods internet printable coupons or insert coupons from the P&G. And this internet printable coupon is available at pgeveryday.com, and I will have that linked in the description box for you guys down below if you need to print this coupon. And just a heads up, if you do need to print this coupon from pgeveryday.com, do not print this coupon until the day that you are going to the store, because when you print this, the expiration date that prints on that coupon is the next day. So if you guys print this coupon today, the expiration date on that coupon will be tomorrow. Anyways, this is a total of $10 in coupons. So if you were to take that out of our subtotal of $15, that brings your total out of pocket down to just $5. But then you will be receiving a $5 extra buck reward because these Tide Pods are on promotion for buy 3 and get a $5 extra buck. So after this extra buck reward, your final cost for all 3 of these Tide Pods becomes just $2 or 67 cents each. And now here's a deal where you guys will be able to pick up some free diapers and Scott paper towels. So select diapers and paper towels this week are on a promotion for spend 30 and get a $10 extra buck reward. So with this deal, you want to pick up 2 of the pull-ups, which are on sale 2 for $20. And specifically, you want to pick up one of the nighttime training pants 18 count and one of the regular training pants 18 count. And the reason you want to pick up each of these is not only because they are the ones on sale 2 for $20, but also because if you check out in your Fetch Rewards app, they are offering 3,000 points for the nighttime training pants and for the training pants. So other than these diapers, you're also going to want to pick up 2 of the Scott paper towels, and you want to get the 6 equal 11 rolls. These are priced at $5.49 each. So 2 of them would cost you $10.98. So before coupons, all 4 of these products would cost you $30.98. But then you're going to want to apply a $3 off of 15 baby care CRT, 2 of the $2 off of 1 pull-ups coupons, and this is available as a manufacturer digital coupon in our CVS apps. It also can be found in the Smart Source from May 17th, or you can print this from vivatowels.com, which I will have linked in the description box down below. Other than these, you're also going to want to use a $2 off of 8 paper product CRT and 2 50-cent off Scott paper towel internet printable coupons available at scottbrand.com. This is a total of $10 in coupons. So if you were to take this out of our subtotal of $30.98, that brings your total out of pocket down to just $20.98. But then remember, you will be getting back a $10 extra buck reward because we are spending $30 on these products before coupons. And now also take a look in your Ibotta apps because right now there is a $3 back rebate for picking up the Huggies pull-ups. And this is a limit of 5, meaning that we will get $2.50 back for each one that we are picking up, giving us a total of $5 back with this one rebate. And then there is a second rebate in Ibotta for 10 cents back on any training pants. So altogether in Ibotta, we'll be getting back a total of $5.10 of rebates. And then in our Fetch Rewards app, you'll get back 6,000 points, which is equivalent to $6. So after all of our rebates and extra buck rewards, your final cost for all of these items becomes completely free and a 12-cent moneymaker. And even if you guys are missing one of these CRTs, either the baby care or the paper product CRT, this is still an amazing deal which you can do if you need any of these products. For example, if you are missing that $3 off of 15 baby care CRT, even without that CRT, your final cost comes down to just $2.88 for all 4 of these products, or just 72 cents each. So 72 cents for diapers and paper towels is pretty much unheard of. So this is a must-do deal if you guys need these items. So switching up this deal a little bit, if you guys don't want paper towels, you guys instead can get some Tide Pods, and specifically you would want to get the Tide Pods 21 to 35 count. And you're still going to want to pick up one of the Pull-Ups Nighttime Training Pads 18 count and one of the Pull-Ups Training Pads 18 count. So the Tide Pods are priced at $11.94 each, and then the Pull-Ups are on sale 2 for $20. So altogether, these 3 items would cost you $31.95. But then with this deal, you want to use a $3 off of 15 baby care CRT, 2 of the $2 off of Pull-Ups coupons, a $2 off of Tide Pod coupon from pgeveryday.com that you need to print it either the day you're going shopping or the day before you are going shopping, because the day that you print that coupon, the expiration date will become the next day. So along with these coupons, you're also going to want to use a $1 off of Tide Pods app-only digital coupon. And then after all of our coupons, our total out-of-pocket becomes just $21.95. But then you will receive a $10 extra buck reward, $5.10 back in Ibotta rebates, and $6 back from Fetch Rewards. So after our extra bucks and rebates, our final cost for all of these items becomes just 85 cents or 28 cents each. So 28 cents for this giant thing of Tide Pods is absolutely amazing. And just so you guys know, this is like not the bag of Tide Pods. This is actually like the bin of Tide Pods, like the one that comes in like the bucket. This is a lot of Tide Pods, guys. And if anybody wanted to do this deal but was missing that 3 off of 15 baby care CRT, this is still a great deal which you can do. I would still not pass up on this deal. Even without that CRT, your final cost for all of these items becomes just $3.85 or $1.28 each. And now for the last few breakdowns I'm going to share with you guys, they are all diaper deals, so we're only going to be picking up diapers, and they are also on that promotion for spend $30 and get a $10 extra buck reward. So with this deal, you'll want to pick up 2 of the pull-ups, which are on sale 2 for $20, and you want to make sure that you're getting one of the nighttime training pants and one of the regular training pants. Along with these, you're also going to want to pick up one of the Huggies Snug and Dry Jumbos. These are priced at $11.29. So all 3 of these products will cost you $31.29, but then you're going to want to use 2 of the $2 off of Pull-Ups coupons. And again, this can be found in the CVS app as a manufacturer digital. You can also find it in the Smart Source from May 17th, or you can print it from vivatowels.com, which I will have linked down below. Along with these 2 coupons, you're also going to want to use a $1 off of Huggies Internet Printable coupon, which can also be found at vivatowels.com. After all 3 of these coupons, your total out-of-pocket will be brought down to just $26.29, but then you will be receiving a $10 extra buck reward, and then you're also going to get $5.10 back on Ibotta, $2 back on Fetch Rewards for the Huggies, and $6 back on Fetch Rewards for the Pull-Ups. So after all these rebates and extra buck rewards, your final cost for all 3 packs of these diapers becomes just $3.19 or just $1.06 each. And if you guys do have that $3 off of 15 baby care CRT, definitely throw that into the mix, because with that CRT, you guys will be able to pick up all of these items for just 19 cents or 6 cents each. And if you thought it couldn't get better than that, check this out, guys, because if you have 2 of those $3 off of 15 baby care CRTs, you can use both of those. And by using both of those, that'll make this deal completely free and a $2.81 moneymaker. And the reason that you are able to use both of these CRTs is because the total amount needed to be spent for both of these CRTs is $30, and our subtotal before coupons is $31.29. So that is perfect because that brings us right over our $30 threshold. And the reason our threshold is $30 is because our coupons are both valued at 3 off of 15. So for each of these, we need to spend at least $15. So because we have 2 of them, we need to spend $30. Anyways, if you guys have 2 of these baby care CRTs, this is a must-do deal. Getting free diapers is great. Like, I would not pass up on this. Even if you do not need diapers, this is a great donation item, which so many people would be grateful for. Alright guys, those were all the breakdowns that I had to share with you guys in this video. Hopefully one of them will work for you. And if you guys enjoyed this, definitely show me by giving a big thumbs up down below. And if you're not already, definitely consider subscribing to my channel and ringing that bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Alright guys, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch my video, and I will see you guys in the next one.